Lucius Avenue. We in Castle 8 December to 14 December. We have 10% free promo discount. Back to Lucius. I'll say, oh, they for 39.40 Dibra. And I teach you Dibra. Dr. Like Dibra. NTV Studios for the Dibra.
Okay, so Ahano, yeah, offer services to set fabric, pedicure, braids. We even do pixie cut as well. Yeah, all that.
Yeah.
Your chips are not left out, everyone. And complimentary to the services, we have refreshments like tea, whatever, champagne, sweet wine, and all that.
What else you
every day, anytime. No.
Anna,
it's free. It's part of the services.
Free. Mukwana mo yesa hawo. Mo maya here. It's my brother salon be brave, but also go there, manager. Mukwana mo yesa. Hey, I'm sure. Lucius Avenue.
One of beauty.
Understand music.
Baby.
How are you?
Baby, I'm
oh my God, you're looking good.
Thank you.
Anyway, let's go.
That's my
that's
baby.
my house.
Oh,
Welcome.
wow, that's not bad.
Do you like the place?
Oh, Charlie. Oh, that's nice. That's nice. Oh, wow.
You are welcome.
Thank you, baby girl. Wow.
You're welcome.
That's not bad. I mean, yeah, oh, baby, I want in your bar. I mean, and nice. Ghana now to baby city. I mean, good.
Anyway, should I get you water?
Oh, me okay.
Yeah, sure.
Me okay. Me bad. I'm sure let them about that thing, sir. What's it? A beer. Waiting.
It's working. I think it really now. Sorry.
It's but I'm okay. Winty. But then, of course.
Anyway, the other day. Thank you. Thank you so much.
My friend, I catch you. And I must miss it. I said, I need too much.
Oh, but I was
baby girl, I feel no baby in my kitchen. What is that one? Ediane. When they may buy, you know, let me complain and say my chair because this is the first time I'm about Ghana my chair.
Oh, really?
But I don't know, sir, man. Maybe she's a pretty girl like you. Angel like you. He's coming. Hello? Yeah? Oh, I'm not part of my frail, but I went to me, Alpha. You be ready? Come on. Then? 5 and I'm multi me. I didn't. Oh, sorry, baby, sorry. Container 10 na me penta me time aso. Me mente ha. Enu ti na me ye bibia bo mu se munye o yi container no 5 say. No, a new console frame. You don't know, come on. A new console frame. My dick can be at many time. I said, me claim be answer my call. It will frame a catch him some more to me, 5 for no. 5 for them, winning 5 and I can win day. With him, I'm winning, I'm in for back. No, baby girl, so let me call you back, okay? Marty. Can you imagine?
I don't.
Casa media bar me, I mean, containers were 10.
Oh, wow.
Containers 10.
You know, hard working guy.
What I say, 2024 Bentley. A woman.
Oh, wow.
Jiwa. She can't be use. I don't want to come with the man. Look, Ghana, no meaning the way I'm going to I don't want to come with the man, a bear, so we're free. Oh, yeah, we're free.
I'm so sorry.
And then no, met you. I'm there. Can you imagine? Big guy like me. She can't with them. You land for. The Korea car, I mean, she be that. She Korea car, come on. German car, cram him. Bibi Ferrari near the man brought him into car kits. As a Ghana, you're quarantine. I saw pet cars, maybe to say, oh, they said J Wagon on, said no.
Oh, yeah.
I was stroke a crunch, you know. Made a no better trainer that is a legs is in the Bema, Miniaban.
Oh,
And a menton. Yeah, menton.
wow.
And you don't tell me by baby
You're
girl.
a nice person.
Oh, no problem.
So, hang on. It's the wrong day.
Yeah.
Try your best.
And yeah, easy say, I mean, Ghana had no Babisia like you. What is Legon? I mean, you look at the car you're using. I mean, you're a big girl.
I know, right?
I tell you, you're a big girl.
Now, what did you do?
Oh, me okay.
Oh, okay, so how about me feel so did they come on? What is it, Papa? Be a plus and I'm in the over. Tease it.
Tease it. What is that?
Dear who? I don't want your sentiment.
Oh!
Yeah.
Dear who? Acha me.
Would it be a
no, me all gonna require me in December and all that.
Oh, really?
But I mean, wouldn't know. I said, me try.
It's so nice.
When you say be a movie, I come so.
Of course. It's so nice.
Oh my God. Wow. Everything is perfect. My mother, my kakra, share. Hey, Kobby Bentley. When I'm from a can come on. Ah, a condition, everything. You know, for the good answer. Maybe. Some kind of crime with the baby bag, me BBS. Ration, I'm to VIP, be a ditch. Buy am because baby dear me quite happen to you to a moment. This idea chamber and them draws with pant baby I can't be once my car. Yeah. Near we are so no, I'm broaching. When your man, oh, my bug matters.
Kobby, we okay?
Babe, I'm doing good.
Okay, I'll be with you soon.
Okay. I'm a buff na meti Ahuofe won sa na tete me. Just look at me.
I didn't know how I go in here. I didn't kind of know.
What dear? I'll do some now. Come on. Come to go. I can't be about job one block. Come here, what you want to post to go to? I'm going to have it with them on. I'm going to go home with my boys. I'm
going to check you. I'm going to go. I didn't know who my ranch or my sister. I'm not going to say.
going to be a back. I'm at you.
I'm at your way.
Oh, not a spot to look. asɛm bi abaka no ma ɔmmɛka nkyɛm wɔ a ɔmo abɛpɛti ɔmo asɛm ya ɔmo asɛm wɔ ɔmo a na yɛwɔ adwuma ɔmo
Meka na ɛma o.
mate ɛboa
Ɔmo fa mo nkɔm ya.
mate a
Hey. Station.
ona
What's your good morning?
ade bɔkɔ na
Me now there, me now. Station, what are Station, yes, be a commander now, only be dear, meant you. Where they are, Martin Suno, where your station drivers in Libya. And besides, ya no much as I say, or yare, then in Casa, in the Yariano, and yet any now. Who's a canon so, no body. Medical Tardian so dear. At least me now for Swaka.
ona media yɛ mo wan maka kyerɛ wo amate no unhu oba unhu umuza no ɛno na mahu na ma no wɔ ne wa ka no ekura no no sɛ ho asɛm bi aba me nsanim me persematic ne ho asɛm ne ka no ho asɛm wɔ station ya
Una.
anyɛ sɛ ka no kura me ma ne nya adwuma wa bio me mfa ho ne anyɔnkofo a wɔ me no ntam me dem abɛtufo na assistil amata na ade ka no be ma na yɛ adwuma de a ye me wa me no ebetimi aka no
Una, you say beer, my son, open myself. It's not the woman who know, but I dare back on say, I'm not telling him. So, Sebi, Jimmy Fonson, one and San Adrian. It's the young Shani for the Diano Pamano. They are so busy, son.
una me mama te chan amate me na mfa amate adwuma mu a boy no nim complaints ne ho nsɛm a wa me na me ma nkrofo mo do ka ya adwuma ma wo na me tu fu sɛ ɛmfa aka ma amate wutu wontie me ana opo bi ameka nkyɛ me spare drivers bebre ara me ma bi wusi amate na ado me de me wa na me waka na ade nkyɛn me ha me ne kasa pato me mpɛsɛ me no benya problem me mpɛsɛ me no ntem message tie de me mpɛsɛ me say ka na ho asɛm ba me mfa ho papa me nsa ka no so me ma nya adwuma wa ha bio etu wo afutuo bi ona yɛ sɛ ɔde ma no ene me mbɛ yɛ sa wa so misro una ade anchi pato
Sebi penny say and do so na homo so. Misro.
Unim za me na maboa mu anya ka be 5 unim za na fa mati ade abla nka nkyerɛ
And I say, my phone, Union. Sebi yonkuru na slim ya ne bia ne wo. Eti my phone, Misro. Hwe unim, yem fan so no hwe, yem mana boso ba.
yo ka kwanya na miti o ka che enu ana maka toro wo betimi aye de maka toro na fan
O de
wo be je ka nda mo bia mnu ni asem ba mate na de betu ka na de na station ade bete ho asem se kim ka no wo ka na nka se nya adwuma wa ha bia nya mate no wo ka na nka se nya adwuma kra wa ha bia ana nya o ka bia ni ho so besia me ka kula o hwe aye adwuma we ya che papa wu ya na de adwuma no ma me mo bia fuma ni ma fam wa me ba wo fi o betu fu ti ababua wa
Station wa kama. O de me ne amate ba kasa, but
ho de oni amata so me fa
Misro, what's why in the I didn't know. Me nua na no. Misro,
unzo ni ana me ana me ka so mjo ona ade enchi me so dem one am no aka no wo hwe na ni bi fufuro ka bi abetima asori akọ mpesa no pay me bu kra do fufura am ka cho
station master.
ona dem one ma ka cho ana me so linya wo me nkonya wa na oni hwe ka kra chi so le kwana me nyama so bi
O de me ko de be shi bia no me fro. Why?
am plan me what ba no apa ko me kwa asha sama kwa o be start ka adwuma me na be bo mama na ma bo an wa ya adwuma nya cars be 5 ka prepare man bi da akra onu mu ade a me ma fa no ana so de ndi obi ade no ko onu ana so de ka be ma na o be ka chem se me hwa ma ka adwuma me fa o ka nya so ma e no so yi ka na police station ti mi to police station kwa yo
Understand music.
Are you okay?
Oh, for me, okay. Me how you?
No.
Actually, me who ye. You were inside it now, you were cheating. I don't think you're okay.
Oh, for me, who ye me okay? Just say. Someone call morning shift na me call area sana. Na area no. Ma me style be.
Okay, so how far is your posting? I could say.
I'm not posting me, baby. I'm de me to you know. I'm not okay.
Okay. Don't worry. On that note, no one say me will links to I have access to the protocol. You know, I'll make sure say you do back to baby I will pay. So just let me know what you want.
Okay.
And I'll work on that. That reminds me. That's your boyfriend, Nicholas or something. I was saying.
Oh, no, here.
No, are you guys still there? And I say, we've gone separate ways.
We are still there.
Are you sure? So why am I met to know?
No, you call morning shift. By now, the shows on them coins are all be free.
Okay. All the same, so crowd time ya soon. To them, I'm in the pool, you man, send them
Random music.
Station. Station. Nede come person me no come station.
As I say I should need it.
Oh, station. Obi so no we din komo unim de
ana me kire say I show need it asem. Do be come te ana enya ma so na me de betie.
Station but you pay attention what the me person me can hear
so that
ma so Mr. Woody any give Mr. Pay attention to what I'm come to tell you so that you can see when the helper or help destiny helper can locate me. Because right now I'm emergency right now.
Kasa na judge say dey ni.
Station so many minutes station I'm going through a lot.
Then ato.
Station Ndra me pacho Mr. Ndra ma fan Kofi bi o shashi. Me do mo ko isawom.
Ana ye dey.
Station Sam ni my boys na my phone. You do hold mo dey sekan matching sekan AK-47 to say it two weapons e di gina me so say me for me scamla. Agrobes. Station I was shocked.
Hey, I'm at
Station dey na me ye.
Omo anyo hwe.
Manya me hwe say sika na omo pe. E na sabi o we nyansani na say akonfo mitu na say omo twi say to no mo sika na omo hwa. Fasika na mo na je dai eje wo nkwa. Ti ndra me je me nkwa. Me di sika na mo no na akwale ti ma kan sika no atibi. E sa de ebi ama me say me fanko. Station. Station, I'm bleeding right now.
I confess shower Jewusika. And almost anti the amount of
physical and spiritual.
I say no the radiasi.
Station, me here, me here bosia. Me station, Miss Robo, I'm watching her. And now me bam station. She say me name scam me the bemas a physical owner. And then they say me say
me sika.
Me here 5 million.
Na oda so akoma wo na
500 Ghana cedis, Miss Robo. What?
Flow na ka tell say akonfo. Pero ka say akonfo agiska no. I don't best attack why this can santi biama. Why?
Oh, station.
Me 5 million.
Asema station. And na me we station master na me be chechi me say na but me boss am pato da fate me.
Me ni bi. Won't ase. Me nya bi ma wo. Ti fra wo na bona mane. Na wasema wa be gina ha wo ka che me akra ma wana.
See me akra say.
Ah? Say wo akronfo ahia wa diske kura wa santi scan bi san de ama wo.
Station, that's exactly what I'm saying.
Crawford no fi kuro be so.
I don't know. Me
Onye serious. Minis can be. Why?
So
na na bona man, say asem aka che fro ka ona. Na ka say asem ne che.
But station, like station, you are doing something in this station and I don't really understand you. Me nim say me kwa na watu wani esi me so station like
you are too many esi usu na ya dey. Why asem aka nyansa be
no. But station, someone need help. See how I'm suffering.
Why asem aka nyansa nim? Does it make sense to you?
Station, what me yes me say we ha bought of yes station. We ni pa boni. Station ja, I'm gas and cho. Dey make say station yet na na ka ho. Me yasam na nam amfa me di anya real no. Kan kasa me station we kam so me di makotene. Wo young boy the station ja wo ye de open say. Go form me ba mu wani wonyo tina wo town mani. What kind of rubbish is that? Master flock on one.
5 million more.
Now can pay 5 million. Who is station master? Asma two. Who station? I know about one chance say. Where they need him?
Why?
Masama won say bia oh metua no. Next year no metua.
Me nya bi ma why? E tu dey di matem na ko. Me nya bi ma. From ka na kasa an
station. You know station e be hwe o. Now mam cho we fucking chobat. And the number to be no ye no ma say sabi o. Ahombrase ntia fa ahombrase ni no. What is suban?
Akrofo ahia waju sika atibi di amount.
Na the akrofo ti nya sa de no. Oh Garrot man.
Na say we no open kwan bi so a wunye says o.
Me say Garrot.
Open kwan bi so a wunye says.
Ai.
Ai. Amate pa na akwaro ajimi ana. Sa akrofo pa Ghana ha atima hia wo. Aju sika sa atibi di amount. Ai.
Listen. Yeah. I've been thinking of something. But I don't know. I want to hear your side of this one. Like, I want you to advise me.
Okay. Let's hear it.
It's about Mr. Okoro.
Ade. Okoro Sede. And I'm heady.
Oh, there be only a BBS, but I have been thinking about it. I feel like as I mean in a relationship, no me who say it will future be as I don't know where it's heading to, because I don't think say Mr. Okoro be China wife so be worried. Do you understand my point? And then I said, me dear chief, I said me folly man. I don't think say this man will marry me. So I have been thinking say me the person can be forgetting because even this messages have me received a crown. I catch her and I'm finding personal, I'm finding how it could be as on seriously, and I keep getting all these messages. So me, I was thinking of moving on.
Are you sure?
Oh, why not? After all, I'm okay. Now I have a good place. I drive a car. I think if so, because I will train want me home, but stream giddy bear, you know. That was what I'm thinking though. But I don't know about you. How the first same way. But I'm just trying to get an idea from you.
Well, it's a good idea. As she said, I'm not even sure the man will leave the wife.
Exactly.
And he said, well, Jane, who said you want to, let go of him. I think it's a good decision, but you know why you went in for him? So in the interior. Oh, okay. But
na me penno. But sika no so come but don't me man nyɛ say I said could dinner because of sika
be no ko original sisia no sika ne mbata ne ho.
Sika ne be say.
Sika bi ambata ne ho ko original. I feel a bit too quick.
Oh, but
I'm just saying, so why watching say on person there, entertaining him again now? You have to think of the future. You have to think of what you want to do with your life. You alone. So how would you survive? So you have to plan. Come here, say shop B is the go. Say when you shop, it's a good deal. Shop B and now peck and get so be on your boots. Like something that every week, we all just carefree has to send a bear while in your day and corners to be. So what I say. Yes, I want to mean that me just go no jail girl. Yes, I'm new, comedy.
How's that lawson? Okay. You mean your way is how possible. Of course, I knew when I was like, by some kid, this kind of
we need therapy.
Anyway, I think say whatever you are saying, is true. If I'm trying to leave him there, I will send me pay BB a day at least a crana menyano. Me settle down and me pay BB. I think it's a good idea. So since I agree on this decision now, I thought I was wrong, but they also work at the same thing there. Then I think, say, I have to move on. So, I think what we should do is, we should try and be cold towards him. Like, don't men smile, men sorry, you know. Just be cold towards him, so that he will not get that energy to get closer. Because baby now, you stay there.
Yeah, I get it. But some kind of means yeah. Intimidate. Him
I know. For saying sick, in case he sees you. Because you're my friend, definitely he'll see you. He has been seeing you. It's not only today that I see you.
You know, come to think of it, is it that you found somebody, or I don't know?
Found.
Maybe I say when I see baby so, and I will can't say me.
Please, I beg you. When I see baby, so I'm just trying to. Charlie, I'm growing.
So you're not talking to any man, any boy, any whatever. You're not talking to anybody.
Boy. Definitely, there'll be somebody in my DM, but I wouldn't say, when I'm ready, I know how to select.
Okay.
Hey, it's like when you're saying, if you connect me, but you just go to a young boy, cross, catch your group.
Okay.
Vim. I used to go there, no shaking. Charlie, nobody them that come to me.
I can't.
Me, watching your microwave, no.
Of course.
Should I heat it?
Oh, I'm okay.
Thank you.
Gently, now friend. My friend, once I'm cut off my neck, I'll call you. Don't worry, okay? I'll call you.
Babe, I was so afraid, I don't like that place. I was starting complaining. They catch and say about the business getting worried.
As you within this week, I'll call you.
This week?
Oh, this week. I think just left few days. I'll call him, but you don't worry. I'm talking to my ears, so it's okay.
What come at it?
I'm flu. He said, "I'm crying more than me flu." I said, "You maybe I'm the go up from there and said I never said here." So the boom pen me flu. Don't worry about it. I don't know black and ones in you.
Tell me, he's not comfortable, George. He says, well, the number down from me. He's very funny. No, was share no funny.
Yeah, George is story there. From the scratch, I think the need now you come. I just said, Bob, 2 months, I used to go on. So buy no need baby girl, I'm telling you, me and I'm a train a band, background boys in a pamon. One of them is a tube, yeah, band. So I'm doing the same chain, I'm learning them one, if you only a day, that's nice. And it's a John would do because the same chain is George, the Anna sometimes in front of someone else, and was only be on him. To the piano, my woman, you have been medicine. Yes, I know overdo or your man a broso. Oh, I've any day. I don't want easy. I don't finance it, so no, Kobby and funny.
What's it this week?
Oh, you within this week. There's no promise. Fine, Auntie. The mama now on your food, you stay, she want to find them somebody. And my wife, now your mom.
Sunday. Are you okay? I'm okay. Is everything okay?
name may be over a semi culture because it's an impossible. Oh, yeah.
Stop.
Oh, no, I'm serious. I'm not lying.
Are you for real?
I'm telling you.
Are you serious?
But no problem, Kitty. It's not about you, man. That's the last time about my castle said, me bahamich.
Oh, yeah, sure.
And now, me container no more, 5 in America. I have more 5 in America, but I never cry. I mean, it's all about my sister.
Your sister? You have a sister?
Oh, yeah. Minia gets where I mean, and Fanny's only Dimechi. Meaning, I know America. And see, I know so about settled down, you know. It's Legon higher not. Or not a Trasaco.
Oh, okay.
Oh, yeah. On a little bit, my painting, so my idea. That's it.
Oh, I see.
And a B9 shop. It's Legon. I think Lucius, meaning so what?
What?
Yeah.
Lucius Beauty Parlor.
I'm telling you.
Oh my God!
What is that there? Baby girl.
Sasha played the escafon calico.
Yes. Now they trouble me. I'm not doing what I'm saying. Baby Koso.
Tell me about it.
Unyo bia. Even uchi no marker. I don't know. It's all about Ghana, no. Or so a brass or whatever. To walk on or far dropping as a boob as a taxi. I don't know.
But there's nothing bad with that.
Train.
Oh, okay.
Baby girl. Very bad. Taxi driver now far as a Uber driver. What in the call you who fear when you are the team. And what call you true. Now Sunday.
What you mean for girls?
I'm telling you. Not me believe those things. But my sister Mama Jade. Sure. Can you imagine say until taxi driver no time. A Juma na a walk a Siena Martini Dini idea. Guy in the control everything.
Wow.
I'm telling you. And no Mama Channel. What could be beer when she? What I say? Na Sunday. I dare me person who your mommy. Oh, your bar, maybe worry. I be Kabusiano. So we see me a boy me pa ma. Minuano, men second back as my sister. Men kasa will marry you. Obey me, baby. What I say? Because me person man that na have you. Person me didn't come back to America. To show up on that one. My baby, you knew me in America and Canada. But you be the amount.
East Legon Lucius as him now okay, come now.
Me say, so woman means I come sister back. I met me in America, and I come America back. Everything for yours.
Are you serious? I want to know. Okay, so also you're a taxi driver. What is it about him? Like, or what's about American House, right?
Yes, American House. I say American House taxi station. What I said? Yeah, taxi station. Me mention the name, but I say American House taxi station.
Okay. So, what do you think we should do?
And nothing I'm about because my tribe be me didn't call them chibi a honey. One of some perry and your sister. In fact, the baby girl.
I think I have a point.
You have a point?
Yes, I'm thinking of something.
Something like what? Sorry, you're the one. I swear.
Of course.
Bible says with the pancot na bed says so powerful. But I can afford that. I mean, me who say me friend no me when you First, me who say be a year wa maha. Me come and 1, 2, 3, we have Emre. And that's the more. So.
Oh, you're so funny.
I am funny. I'm funny.
Yes.
Huh? The name. A bomb car into where because I can feel that. Me say we are what kind of crime the baby ever mom. Can you imagine? About Trasako, 11 bedroom. Daikasi, Trasako board Daikasi dear. I did buy on air dear and you fit baby or tip net also. Na can yes with me no go to kiosks.
You don't mean it.
I'm telling you. You can't say about something because I say.
Oh.
Come to me, baby.
I get it now.
Look at my sister. Oh, that kiosk. Having an affair with
What
you say?
I will work on this for you.
What you say? Come on. Until I mention that, me call my sister Hobak. I send me in the quiet one too. And then Sunday.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, now maybe now me try some car, me sister, maybe but time in I think so more quite sorry. To come in is crabby.
Oh okay. You want cash?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Then $100,000 should be all. My sister no. Just me call her. Me Gina ya me de ebi echichi ani man kitu ebi na. And you know kwa hana me babeda.
All right. So, what say?
2,000. Sorry.
Okay, no problem.
So full. Ana Ghana nkwala bi a mujine na kwa say this so she's coming out there. Kwala bi jeja kwala bi abedrubia. Come on.
Oh, you must have a few more. You must have a few more.
We make come coach 1,000.
Oh, I'm coming. So I can have it.
Oh, thank you. Oh, so baby girl. Mako, anyway. Just it. You want to do an abyss? They will go to me.
Adjololo is fine, right?
It's not bad.
No problem. I got you.
Okay.
Drive safe, oh.
Thank you.
All right.
Oh.
Is everything okay?
The 500 at the account, me refi. I send me check. And call this kind of year. A Tony man gets you in a me bar and me in the bro.
Oh, okay. All right. Don't worry. Okay.
Yeah.
Fine.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, evening, okay?
Drive safe home.
Hello followers, good 3940 here. Guess what? NKB Studios Airman free access to his unreleased movies on YouTube. Unreleased movies on YouTube. Episode 2, episode 3, episode 4, episode what. And then you can subscribe. So link in that channel and also tap on the link. Just pay 10 Ghana cedis. 10 Ghana cedis pay to watch the unreleased episode. 10 Ghana cedis and sana baba to public amu biya nya biya she. But all person when the secret there to your 10 Ghana cedis pay. Na bo link na so e do be ko channel no so straight. Na do akwa share episode 2, episode 3, episode 4, episode 5. Na nya ka so go to o trend there o de koye bra o de koye bra ni be dia dance here. Koye bra ni be dia dance here. I love you all. Happy Christmas. Love active.